Hello guys, welcome back with me and welcome back to my channel. Before you watch this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Today I want to read the news of cryptocurrency. The title is How to Get a Job in the Metaverse and Web3. To land a job in Metaverse and Web3, possess the right skills, interact and network with people, build your brand, create content, and increase your exposure in the crypto market. Can you work in the Metaverse? The Metaverse is the next big career path on which to land an ideal job with firms like Meta, Roblox, Microsoft, OpenSea, the Sandbox or Sand, and the many others constructing it. So, if you want to know how to land a job in the Metaverse, you need to be aware of what your role may look like. Essentially, your job will involve a combination of blockchain, artificial intelligence, 5G, gaming, and other Web3 technologies like augmented reality and virtual reality. In this article, learn the basic steps to landing a career in the Metaverse and Web3 fields. Build the required skill set. The first step toward exploring jobs in the Metaverse is to gain the required skill and knowledge. For instance, a 3D character artist developing avatars, it will need to know Blender, Maya, Cinema 4D, and have some expertise in creating skins and gaming. Most Metaverse jobs, like those involving engineering-related work, require a competitive skill set such as knowledge of Node.js, JavaScript, Application Programming Interface or API, integration and React. You can build the above skill by applying to an university that offers Metaverse-related course or learning at no cost or through financial aid on platforms like Coursera and edX. That working with like-minded people is essential for landing entry-level Metaverse jobs or internships. You can find out about local Metaverse even on meetup.com. Additionally, you can meet participants in hackathons such as those hosted by MIT Reality Hack. Build your brand, improve visibility, and earn money in the Metaverse. After acquiring the desired skill set, start building your brand and ensure that your portfolio is up to date. Look for job opportunities in the Metaverse at the metaversejobs.com. To get noticed in the industry, start writing in depth, thoughtful pieces on the Metaverse and get them published on platforms like Cointelegraph, Forbes, or other renowned publication in your jurisdiction. So guys, that's enough. Thank you for watching. Before you close this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.